Hello guys, so what happened on September 4 in history? Okay, so you can see two prelims questions first, which is both based on Dadabhai Naoroji. Okay, Dadabhai Naoroji was a very important personality in Indian freedom struggle and more related to economics. Okay, he's the one who designed the first India's first poverty line, you can tell. His birth is in the 1825 or something, and it is today, September 4. Okay, that is the reason I'm showing you these questions. So, the most effective contribution made by Dadabhai Naoroji to the cause of Indian national movement will be, and they gave three options in UPSC 2012. Okay, expose the economic exploitation of India by the British, interpreted the ancient Indian text and restored the self-confidence of Indians, stressed the need for eradication of all the social evils before anything else. So this you can see, the third statement is like all the social evils. That is an extreme statement, wrong. And if you know that is wrong, you can eliminate 333 from option B, C, D and directly get the answer 1 only. Okay. Second one also ancient Indian text and all. You know other people are there. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So these are all in your spectrum. We have already taught you. So only one will be the answer. Okay. And the second question 2015 and I think 16 also same thing came. Which are the following or who of the following were economic critic or critics of colonialism in India? Okay. So Dadabhai Naoroji, Subramaniam Iyer and R.C. Dutt. Okay. I think Ramesh Chandra Dutt or something. So these three people, answer is 1, 2, 3. All of them criticized the economic policies of British and the drain of wealth which was happening from India to the Europe officers and British officers. So that was told by these three. Okay, Subramaniam Iyer is also important for many other movements and many other newspapers and all he started. So that you should know these things. Okay, so today is Dadabhai Naoroji's birthday. That is the reason I showed you. Please practice maximum questions. Don't listen to these people who tell like do MCQs only after completing your syllabus. I give you 10 years time for preparation also. You will not complete your syllabus. Okay, there is nobody who can complete the syllabus. I cannot complete, you cannot complete, nobody can do. Okay, UPSC syllabus is unlimited. They can ask you anything, meaning tomorrow something happens, that also is a UPSC question. Okay, there is no end to UPSC preparation. There are some basics which you can do. So, from day one, you have to start seeing questions. I'm not telling solve it and get the answer, not like that. There are previous year questions like these. This when you see, and parallelly you are reading your Dadabhai Naoroji related textbook chapter, you will understand, okay, this is what I have to focus. They're asking with the economics and polity that they're asking. They're asking who other than Dadabhai Naoroji was there in economic criticism. So you will read it properly. Without knowing this, you read that, you will read it just like a biography video of and by heart everything about Dadabhai Naoroji, which is not required. You have to understand why you are reading that. And these are the things I explain in my foundation videos, which 99% of you will not would have got it. And if you got it also, you ignored it. That will cost you very high. Okay, in the later prelims when you give and you fail and come, I know the pain of when people fail. They come and tell I did all the hard work and I failed. You did the wrong hard work. Okay, hard work doesn't mean take some 10,000 books and study. Hard work means put your effort in the right places. Okay, there's smart work also. That smart work many people don't know. So I'm not criticizing you fully. If you're doing things good, you are excellent. You are able to solve this by like seeing it and good. You are good. You are doing excellent. But there are many people who still get confused. What if it is 1 and 3? What if it is like R.C. Dutt was not there? So that confusion should be clarified in the very first day itself. Okay. So previous year questions for which solutions are already available, make use of it. Okay. Now, little bit extra information I'll give you. Dadabhai Naoroji, he is called the Grand Old Man of India or the Unofficial Ambassador of India. Okay, there are many things to teach about him. Okay, he was the one who actually became the Indian National Congress President 3 times in 3 different years. Okay, like second time, 9th time and the 22nd President. He was the one. Okay, he was a very senior leader and everybody respected him. Okay, even when Congress had a split, if you know, moderates and extremists and all. Okay, like extremists like the Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. That is one side. Other people will be the senior members. Okay, so when they had a fight also, if Dadabhai Naoroji's name is put, immediately both of them will listen. Okay, like Bal Gangadhar Tilak multiple times told, I want to become the president of INC, but they never gave him the chance. Okay, then that time they told, whenever he asked, they will tell, no, this year it is Dadabhai Naoroji. Then he cannot tell anything. If it was somebody else, he would have protested. But when it is Dadabhai Naoroji, everyone will keep quiet. This happened actually. That is why 1907 Surat split and all problem happened. If you see 1906-7, why he was made the president that time? Because that time Bal Gangadhar Tilak was the contender. He was the one who wanted to become. They immediately told, no, it's Dadabhai Naoroji. So he became quiet. And then Surat split happened. They walked out. And then later 1916, Lucknow Pact happened. They came together. Like this, you should know everything about modern history. You should be like by heart. Not only modern history, everything. If I can do this, you can also do this. Okay, it's just the interest. Okay, years, numbers. These are all very easy things to study if you have interest. The story itself is the numbers. Okay. His book is British and Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Then if you see the ancient text, it is actually Swami Dayanand, Swami Vivekanand, Rajaram Mohan Roy. These are the people who did that. It's not Dadabhai Naoroji. Then other fields in which these people worked, okay, education, reading public sphere, formation of political associations, petitions to the Raj administration, counter preaching, historicism, turning of the defense witness. So many areas are there in which he participated. Okay, but it's not like eradicate all social evils like told in the question. That is the reason I'm showing you this. 1895 he became member of the Royal Commission. Okay, he's the I think only Indian who became. There's a Welby Commission who discussed these things and all economy related things. So he was a member of that commission, which is a great thing. And he was also helping to form the Indian Parliamentary Committee in 1893. So he is, as I told, one of the senior most leader. Even Mahatma Gandhi is not yet reached in India that time. Okay, Gandhi came in 1915. These are all happening in 1893 and 1906. It's all before Gandhi. So he was that time's very senior important leader. So what other things happened? September 4, 1998, the Google company, which now we all use it. Okay, everyday basis. If Google is not there, I cannot function. Maybe you also cannot function. So Google was founded on this particular date in 1998. Then I told you Dadabhai Naoroji's birth anniversary, prominent leader. All the things I already explained to you. Then another thing is Mother Teresa. You know, she died in 1997 in India, in Kolkata. But after she died, okay, 2016 September 4, the process of canonized by Pope Francis. Okay, meaning you give the title of like saint. Okay, Saint Mother Teresa. That thing, elevating the thing, that happened on this particular date. Okay, she was actually not a born Indian. She I think was in that Yugoslavia area. That country doesn't exist now. So it is in that Russia's outer this thing. Okay, Soviet Union's part that time. So she born there, but she died here, and she has done a lot of like schools, charity, and many things for the poor people in India. So that reason she is significant. Okay, she has got the Bharat Ratna also. Bharat Ratna is given to only few people outside India. So she's also got it. Okay, so that is why this day is important. So I hope you are getting a lot of information through these series also. We are not just teaching you this, like today this happened 3 items. I am teaching you the backstory of it. I am teaching you the relevance in prelims and mains. I am teaching you where and all it is covered in our Vaishya, like our current affair packs and subjects packs and all. So you get a complete learning, and daily maybe getting a little bit motivation also, that am I on the right track, as is like following Vaishya is correct or not. There are certain things which you need also. It's not like just studying books. You should have to always keep verifying whether I am on the right track or not. Who does that for one single year, full year? They are the ones who will clear the prelims. Okay, and ultimately after that the mains and interview also. So there is a process. Follow the process. You should clear. I will see to it that I give you free information like this every day. So this also, today's editorial is also excellent. Go and watch this. It is already out, and tell me in comment section your feedback. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.